Did you know that even a 1-second delay in page load speed can cause up to 11% fewer page views? Page speed is one of the biggest factors in maintaining user engagement and conversion. Page speed significantly impacts user experience and conversion rates, with even small delays leading to increased website bounce rates. Improving website performance involves 3 directions: optimizing hosting, reducing file sizes, and improving code quality. Fast-loading websites rank higher on Google, as page speed is a critical ranking factor, especially for mobile searches. How to measure page speed and diagnose performance issues. Measuring page speed helps you identify what is slowing down your website and provides direction for optimization. Page speed refers to how quickly your website content loads and becomes usable. It is all about how quickly a visitor can start interacting with your website. A page may appear to load quickly, but it can still feel slow if buttons, videos, or images take time to respond. That is why website performance is not defined by a single metric. It is about the overall user experience. There is a difference between page speed and website speed. Page speed measures how quickly an individual page loads, while website speed reflects the overall performance of your website. Since every page behaves differently, measuring website speed is a more complex process. Essentially, if most pages on your site perform well in terms of core web vitals, it is fast. Core metrics that determine website performance. Core Web Vitals are 3 key Google metrics that evaluate the user experience on a website, focusing on its speed, stability, and interactivity. These metrics include largest contentful paint (LCP), loading main content, interaction to next paint (INP), responsiveness to interaction, and cumulative layout shift (CLS), visual stability. Optimizing these metrics is important for a website's ranking in Google search results. Largest contentful paint (LCP) measures how long it takes for the main content of your page to load. Aim for an LCP under 2.5 seconds for a smooth loading experience. Interaction to next paint (INP) replaces the older input lag metric and measures how quickly your site responds to user interactions, such as taps, clicks, or keystrokes. An INP score under 200 milliseconds ensures your site is responsive and intuitive. Cumulative layout shift (CLS) tracks how consistent your content remains when loading. Shifting elements on the screen can be frustrating for users, so keep CLS below 0.1 for a consistent visual experience. If you notice issues with your Core Web Vitals report, here are some practical steps to take. LCP is slow. Compress images, serve modern formats like WebP, use lazy loading, or upgrade your hosting to reduce load times. INP score is high. Reduce long-running JavaScript execution, minimize unused scripts, and avoid blocking the main thread. CLS score is poor. Set a fixed width and height for images, videos, and add containers so the layout does not jump during load. If your TTFB is high, time to first byte is not a core web vital, but it still affects load speed. Improve server performance, use caching, and consider using a CDN. Faster loading times, consistent layouts, and quicker interactions directly contribute to a smoother experience that users appreciate and search engines reward.